You know, she goes and comes up to the painting here. This was a scene that we didn't really use any live action with, so it was more just straight ahead type of stuff. But I tried to really work it so that I was animating simple shapes, blocking it in so that it wouldn't get out of hand as you're trying to draw this complicated figure through the whole thing. Let's see, so yeah, there's no point in even showing you that because you can't really see it that way. But the drawings, anyway, they go from about this stage where I'm just trying to get the action here, like she turns and she pulls her hair back, and then I'll go back into it and try to pull it into something that's more like along these lines, where you're feeling more the expression. I won't worry too much about the subtleties at this point. You know, here she's just anticipating squashing down. I just kind of throw some lines in there and get a feeling. My point at this stage is to try to go through it as fast as I can, to get my feeling out on the paper as fast as I can hurry it through, because as soon as I start stumbling and belaboring something, I know that I'm not acting any longer and I'm just drawing.